She is a wife, a mom, and a female biker who is not just challenging the stereotypes but also taking Indian roads by storm.
So I used to take bikes of my friends and colleagues and used to ride. Obviously, we used to get glances and all those things. कि अच्छा लड़की कैसे bike चला सकती?
How did you manage that with your in-laws?
I wouldn't say it was easy and it was neither difficult because they understood gradually. I think we women are born like this, whether we are into corporate, whether we are an entrepreneur, whether we are into some leadership role, we have this within us to manage everything and do everything brilliantly.
Did you ever link your biking to a life lesson when you must be talking to her?
I think ये life lessons हमें सिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. Raising your son in a manner where he can handle those independent women. Leh Ladakh, Pangong is one place where you just feel alive. You are in that moment. I would say आप कुछ नहीं सोच रहे होते हो, आप सिर्फ रोड पे होते हो, and that moment when you're riding on those roads, it looks like a postcard.
जब हम road trips करते हैं ना, being girls, it is tough to manage, right? एक तो hygiene issues हैं, washrooms नहीं हैं, and then there are very women related problems, you know. आप जब long drives पे जा रहे हो, what if you get your periods? How will you manage that pain? बहुत सारे questions आते हैं. So how did you manage it? जब मैं drive भी कर रही होती हूँ ना, me driving versus my husband driving, road ही different हो जाती है, लोग different हो जाते हैं. अरे side ओले कब जाएगी, side से लोग निकलते स्टेयर मारेंगे, तो आप तो फिर भी बाइक पे होते हो. आपके साथ कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ है? Women cannot handle big bikes.
It's a myth.
Hello and welcome to yet another very interesting episode of Beautifully Candid with Gurpreet #keeping it real. Friends, you know, मैं हमेशा अपने शो पे उन लोगों को लेके आना पसंद करती हूँ जो ना सिर्फ इंस्पायरिंग हो बट ऑल्सो आपको कुछ ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे जाएं जो आपके लिए यूजफुल या मोटिवेशनल हो. And today's guest that I have on my show is not just inspiring but also breaking barriers in our country. She is a wife, a mom, and a female biker who is not just challenging the stereotypes but also taking Indian roads by storm. Very excited to welcome Nupur Kalra to our show. Welcome, Nupur, and thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much, Gurpreet. I am super excited for this conversation with you today and let's get started.
Let's get started. So, Nupur, basic से start करते हैं.
ठीक है.
Biking कैसे, मतलब कैसे आप जुड़े इस passion से?
I think ये मैं तब जुड़ी जब I wasn't even aware about all these things कि for a female doing this biking thing is so a stereotype and I'm like doing something extraordinary. So I was just 14 years old, by the way. Don't bring it on camera, but it was I was in my school days. And I used to see a lot of boys doing, these stunts and doing biking, my friends. So I was like, yeah, this looks interesting and I want to do this. Since I was a tomboy, I used to play cricket on street with boys. So yeah, I wanted to try this. So I just got hold of one of the bike of one of my friend. And I think it was in me, I didn't took any classes or any training for that. I just used to ride a bike as if it was in me since I was a child. So that was my starting. Yeah.
So passion हमेशा से था.
हमेशा से था.
And जब आपने वो bike लिया, 14 years.
Yeah, I was like a...
How did your parents react to it?
I think my parents always knew that, I am not a very typical girly thing. Not that, a girl who used to play with dolls who'll have long hair and, wear those girly clothes. So I won't say they weren't supportive, but they never discouraged me to do anything which is beyond that, which comes into inverted commas, कि लड़की ये नहीं कर सकती है, लड़की वो नहीं कर सकती. They have always given me all the freedom to do whatever I wanted to do. So yeah, I used to take my father's scooter. तब चेतक होता था, सबको पता है वो चेतक scooter. So I used to ride his scooter as well.
Right. नहीं, scooty तो बहुत common है.
Yeah, scooter. I'm saying that gear वाला scooter, चेतक. Yeah, not the scooty.
वो जिसपे 2 seats होती हैं.
Yes.
Okay. तो and जब आप bike लेके निकलते थे, you know, Indian roads
Yeah,
are
yeah.
traditionally very male dominant.
Yeah.
Did you ever get reactions from other riders alongside?
Yeah, for sure. I think initially when I started riding during my college days as well, I was in Goa doing my MBA, and I remember there also I used to take bikes of my friends and colleagues and used to ride. Obviously, we used to get glances and all those things. कि अच्छा लड़की कैसे bike चला सकती है, because nowadays it is little different. We have evolved. There's a lot of acceptance. But I'm talking about the era which was in 2000, and that time it was not so accepted. They were used to say ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत चला लेती होगी ठीक है ऐसे करके show off करने के लिए and all that. So वो होता था, but I was not at all bothered about anything. I just used to enjoy, and riding in Goa was so fun.
Right. I'm sure Goa roads must be
Yeah,
very interesting
yeah.
to do so. अब बात करते हैं थोड़ी सीरियस
Yeah.
ठीक है चलो अभी तक तो आप कॉलेज लाइफ में थे देन यू ऑब्वियसली टुक अ टर्न एंड यू वर आल्सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गेट मैरिड
Yeah.
तो जब आपका वो फेज आया पेरेंट्स स्टिल थोड़े से अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाते हैं नहीं भी होते तो हम रिबेल हो जाते हैं
Right.
How did you manage that with your in-laws? Because I still feel it must have been a taboo कि अच्छा लड़की बाइक चलाती है. So how did you handle that?
So I think Gurpreet, for almost around, I think after marriage, for almost 10 years, I left everything. I don't know. I think that was a biggest, I would say, not regret, but I think, yeah, that gap is there. So I thought कि marriage जो हमें सबको सिखाया जाता है कि marriage के बाद ऐसा नहीं करना है. You have your own roles. I was working. I was into a corporate. I didn't had time as well. I was taking care of the family, doing my job. So I left everything, all my passions, all my interests. I was into sports, nothing. I was just doing my job, used to go to office, come back home, spend time with my husband, used to cook food and all those very,
Mundane tasks.
Yeah. So a normal wife role I was doing. But when my kid was born, and she was around 2.5 years old, and I left my job that time because I was taking care of her, and there was a vacuum. I didn't know what to do because initial 10 years I was so busy that I didn't realize that I left so much behind after marriage. But then I thought, and I was like, no, there's something missing, and I have to start this again. And in 2016, I remember we shifted to Gurgaon, and in 2017, I bought a bike again, and I was like, I have to start this again. I was not even confident because it was a 10 years of gap. I have not touched a two-wheeler or a bike, and I was like, how am I going to do this? But it just came, I think, within a week time because that was there in me.
Yeah.
So that was the time I got back into biking again, and now I'm here.
But did you have to explain all of this to your husband and in-laws, or was it easy?
It was, I wouldn't say it was easy, and it was neither difficult because they understood gradually. I think if we talk about parents, if we talk about our in-laws, they are from a different era, and we can't expect them to take everything what we are doing as in this generation to accept everything just like that. They
Yeah.
take time, they take their own time. But my husband was very, very supportive. He got me the bike, and gradually they understood that this is the thing I like, and I'm happy doing this. And so yeah, it took time, but they accepted in some time.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
But still, most of the times you must be on roads. आप
Yeah,
trips कर रहे
yeah,
होते
yeah,
हैं.
yeah.
How do you balance your passion
Yeah.
and your life at home as a wife, as a mom, as a daughter-in-law?
Yeah.
कैसे manage कर लेते हो इतना सब?
गुरप्रीत थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है सारी चीज़ें एक साथ मैनेज करना, बट आई थिंक वी वुमेन आर born like this, whether we are into corporate, whether we are an entrepreneur, whether we are into some leadership role, we have this within us to manage everything and do everything brilliantly. So sometimes, but my daughter, I would say, she's very, very independent. She's very supportive. She knows that my mom loves that she loves to travel. She has to go on biking trips. So she supports me, but I give time to her. I have few days, which are only for her. I go for coffee dates with her. I go for a movie. We plan a movie date at home, something like that. I help her in her studies. So I manage. I know what is important to me at this particular of time. अगर मेरे लिए ये important है कुछ, any trip or any assignment or anything, I will give priority to that particular time, that particular project. But if I know that, it's my kids' exams, maybe I'm going to leave something to be with her, that
Right.
particular time.
Right.
So you have to know in your mind what is more important right now.
So basically, it's about planning and
It's about planning.
prioritizing.
Yeah, definitely.
And talking about your daughter, Nupur, I think she must be really proud of you, right? जब स्कूल जाती होगी
Yeah.
तो बोलती तो होगी कि हाँ मेरी mom is a biker
Right.
and people
Yeah.
know her
Yeah.
and उनके इतने followers हैं Instagram because आजकल बच्चे तो
बच्चे बात
Instagram
करते हैं, right?
की बहुत बात करते हैं. So you're definitely setting an example for
Yeah.
her. But did you ever link your biking to a life lesson when you must be talking to her?
आई थिंक ये लाइफ लेसन हमें सिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. दे लर्न बाय सीइंग, दे लर्न बाय एक्शंस, दे डोंट लर्न बाय टीचिंग. अगर हम उनको कुछ बोलेंगे तो वो नहीं करेंगे. हम उनको बोलेंगे मोबाइल मत देखो, वो जब तक आप उनके साथ बैठ के उनको वो चीज़ नहीं कराओगे. लाइक इफ आई एम रीडिंग अ बुक एंड आई आस्क हर, मान्या get a book and read with me, she's going to do that. If I'm working on a mobile and I'll ask her, Manya, get a book, why don't you read a book? She won't do it. So I think they learn from seeing what we are doing. And I always want her to learn resilience. I always want to take her own decisions. So I think this is the most important thing I want all the kids to incorporate, and to all the parents who are watching this. Because I think I've seen a lot of kids, they grow up, they are married, but they are not able to take their own decisions, and then they regret. ये decision आपने लिया मेरे लिए, वो decision मेरे parents ने लिया, वो मेरे husband ने लिया. I never regret, but because I have taken all my decisions from studies, from being into corporate, from leaving a job, from being into this, I don't regret because it's my own decision. So I think decision making is one thing which I am making her learn right now.
Right.
अगर कुछ भी चीज़ होती है छोटी तो मैं उसको बोलती हूँ ये आपका डिसीजन है. आप देखो आपको क्या पहनना है, किसी बर्थडे पार्टी पे जाना है, दिस इज योर डिसीजन वेदर शी इज योर गुड फ्रेंड, यू वांट टू गो, यू डोंट वांट टू गो. आई नेवर प्रेशराइज हर. आई टेल हर टेक योर ओन डिसीजन. Empowerment, you can say that, but yeah,
Yes.
take your own decision and be responsible for
And
it.
that's very important.
Very
I
important.
believe. So Nupur, ये तो बात हुई empowering our daughters, right? But let's still come to real life. हम अपनी daughters को तो empower कर देते हैं being
Right.
parents. But do you think हमारे आने वाले generation के जो बच्चे, जो boys हैं,
Yeah.
are they being raised in a way जहाँ वो ये empowered women accept
Handle.
कर पाएं, को
Yeah,
handle
yeah.
कर पाएं अच्छे से? Because आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना कि women have started taking their own decisions.
Right.
They feel they are able and capable to
Yeah,
do what they like
definitely.
to do. But divorce ज़्यादा हो गए हैं.
Yeah.
What is your take on that?
I think that's a very, very important topic, Gurpreet, and I would say it's again going to take a decade to come in that situation where we have men around who can handle empowered women. सब लोग कहते हैं कि बेटी को ऐसे बनाओ, बेटी को independent बनाओ, बेटी को पढ़ने दो, she should be working. But raising your son in a manner where he can handle those independent women, those strong women, and support her. And it's not about supporting, it's about equality, I would say. कि अब जब दोनों जने job कर रहे हैं, she's also going on work at 8 and coming at 8, and the guys also going from 8 to 8. They both need to support each other. They both are equal. They both should equally responsible for raising a kid or doing household chores. There are so many things. तो I think वो थोड़ा सा भी change होने में time लगेगा. I think that's why इतने सारे जो आप divorce rate की बात कर रहे हो जो high हैं, क्योंकि मैं अपने in and around देखती हूँ, the recent marriages, they are lot of recent marriages, they are breaking down.
Yeah.
And सबसे बड़ा reason उसका यही है क्योंकि पहले की सिचुएशन और अब की सिचुएशन में बहुत फ़र्क है. पहले लड़कियों को जो बोला जाता था, जो उनसे एक्सपेक्टेशन होती थी, दे यूज्ड टू डू दैट. उनको लगता था हमारा यही रोल है, घर पे रहना, किड्स को देखना, ऑल दोज थिंग्स, इट्स माई रोल. तो चल जाता था. आजकल अब नहीं चल पाता है. तो अ मैन हैज़ टू बी इक्वली,
supportive, understanding.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, but it's not just about men, right?
Yeah.
Again, I'll talk a little more about
Yeah,
this.
deeply.
Let's say, you have a younger sister or
Yeah.
somebody जिसको एक बहुत ही offbeat कुछ काम करना है,
Right.
right? And she is now also married. Husband तो support कर रहा है, but बाकी के in-laws नहीं कर रहे,
yes,
क्योंकि
yes.
इंडिया में I think it's not just the husband,
Yeah,
but also people
Right,
around
right,
the
right,
husband,
right.
right?
Yeah,
Who
yeah,
has a lot of
yeah.
influence. आप क्या advice दोगे, कैसे manage करें ये situation?
आई थिंक इसको मैनेज करना तो मुझे लगता है सबसे बड़ा रोल इसमें हस्बैंड का होता है, बिकॉज ही इज़ द लिंक बिटवीन द गर्ल इन द फैमिली ही हैज़ मैरिड एंड उनकी फैमिली. तो इन दोनों को जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिठानी है उसके लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल भी हस्बैंड का ही है. बिकॉज अगर वो अपने पेरेंट्स को ये चीज़ नहीं बता पाएंगे कि आई हैव मैरिड अ गर्ल who is independent, who is also working, तो आप उससे सेम काइंड ऑफ चीज़ें एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते जो कि हम पहले करते थे, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल से, लॉट ऑफ मदर इन लॉज एक्सपेक्ट कि भाई हमने ऐसे किया था तो डॉटर इन लॉ शुड ऑल्सो बी डूइंग दैट. बट ऑब्वियसली रोल्स सिमिलर नहीं रह गए हैं. सो जब रोल सिमिलर नहीं रह गए हैं तो फिर इट हैज़ टू बी अ बैलेंस बिटवीन द बोथ.
Absolutely. So very helpful, Nupur. ये सब बात हो गई आपकी फैमिली और सपोर्ट सिस्टम की. अब वापस आते हैं आपकी बाइकिंग जर्नी पे. अब तक आप कितने किलोमीटर्स ट्रैवल कर चुके हो on bike?
Kilometers, I have never calculated kilometers, but yeah, I've traveled to Leh Ladakh and Pangong.
Okay.
So, which was one of the farthest ride I've done so far, and it is one of the most amazing experience I had. So we can talk about that because Leh Ladakh has some emotions attached for every rider. Every rider in this country wants to ride on Leh Ladakh roads and Pangong.
So tell me more. What is special about it?
I think Leh Ladakh Pangong is one place where you just feel alive. You are in that moment. I would say आप कुछ नहीं सोच रहे होते हो, आप सिर्फ रोड पे होते हो, and that moment when you're riding on those roads, it looks like a postcard. And riding on those roads is just beautiful. So every rider should go there once in a lifetime to experience that. And it is not easy.
Yeah.
It is not easy.
So I was coming to that.
Yeah.
Leh Ladakh is a beautiful
Yeah,
place, but
yeah.
बहुत लोग कार में भी जाने से डरेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
और आप बाइक पे गए, right? So मुझे ये बताओ कि जब हम रोड ट्रिप्स करते हैं ना, बीइंग गर्ल्स, इट इज़ टफ टू मैनेज, राइट? एक तो हाइजीन इश्यूज हैं, वॉशरूम्स नहीं हैं, एंड देन देयर आर वेरी वुमेन रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स. आप जब लॉन्ग ड्राइव्स पे जा रहे हो, व्हाट इफ यू गेट योर पीरियड्स, हाउ विल यू मैनेज दैट पेन? बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज इट?
आई थिंक गुरप्रीत, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं, डेफिनेटली आती हैं, बट यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. एंड आई थिंक आस्किंग हेल्प इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड इट कैन बी फ्रॉम योर मेल फ्रेंड्स, इट कैन बी फ्रॉम योर फीमेल फ्रेंड्स. तो अगर आप किसी सिचुएशन में ऐसी हैं एंड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी फीमेल फ्रेंड्स अराउंड, स्टिल मुझे लगता है कि यही इन्वायरमेंट हमें क्रिएट करना है विद इन आर कम्युनिटी, विद इन वट एवर, जो भी आपके आसपास के लोगों की, हमारे पास एक सेफ इन्वायरमेंट हो जहाँ पे हमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, सिचुएशन है, वी कैन टेल आर कलीग्स, मेल कलीग्स एज वेल, कि हाँ ये सिचुएशन है एंड आई नीड योर हेल्प. तो वो सेफ इन्वायरमेंट एंड वो टैबू हटाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि बिना किसी फेयर के, बिना किसी आई थिंक एम्बैरेसमेंट के, हम वो वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एम्बैरेसमेंट के आप वो हेल्प मांग सकते हो कि I need to use a washroom very urgently. This is the problem right now. Or I need to buy a sanitary napkins, from a nearby medical store. Can you help me? So, this environment needs to be created, and every woman.
And do you think they're supportive? They are okay with it?
अगर आप करोगे, मैं तो हमेशा बोलती हूँ, सपोर्ट अपने आप नहीं आता, आपकी फैमिली से भी नहीं आता है. Unless and until you will ask for the support, you will show that you need that support from someone else, it doesn't come automatically.
And when you're riding, बहुत बीच में secluded patches आते होंगे, रात हो जाती होगी. And the state of women in India right now, बहुत unfortunate incidents होते आए हैं. कभी आपको डर नहीं लगा?
I think डर लगता है, बहुत बार डर भी लगता है. इसीलिए I prefer going on group rides and I have a safe community within my groups and friends. तो मैं उनके साथ ride करती हूँ. I still fear going on solo rides just because of the safety issues, because आपको बहुत different patches से जाना पड़ता है जब आप solo rides करते हो. For example, if you take Rajasthan, I really want to do Rajasthan, a solo trip by myself, but I'm not able to do that because उसमें बीच में गाँव भी आएंगे. हो सकता है आपकी बाइक में कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, पंचर हो जाए, कुछ भी हो सकता है. You skid. There are a lot of things which can happen, but it's very fearful. I am fearful yet to go on a solo ride, and I don't know how we're gonna improve on that. Maybe in future, but right now it's always better to be going with your friends whom you can trust.
That's fair, and
Yeah,
I'm sure
you can't. Well, I can't create a rosy picture around it.
absolutely, and let's not do
Yes,
that
yes,
as well.
yes.
But I'm sure being such an empowered woman, you definitely would have this dream of living in a safe
Definitely,
country,
yeah.
right? Have you ever thought of doing any sort of drive or reaching out to the authorities to make this kind of an environment? Because हमारी daughters भी हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा डर हमें उस चीज़ का भी लगता
बिल्कुल,
है ना कि
बिल्कुल।
स्कूल जाना भी सेफ नहीं है, तो बाइक राइडिंग तो एक नेक्स्ट
अलग से
लेवल.
अब yeah 100% because अगर मैं ये सोचूं कि when my daughter is gonna grow up and she's gonna do some unconventional take a unconventional path and हो सकता है कि कुछ ऐसे moments आए जहाँ पे मैं बहुत fearful होंगी उसको भेजने के लिए. So I can't still visualize those things right now for her. But I definitely want a safe space for girls where they can just travel anywhere without any fear. They don't have any fear to do anything, to go anywhere.
Yeah.
And definitely we need help for this from the government, from the authorities, from the people who are responsible, who can take actions. Basically, I think who can take actions.
Yeah.
And we need to do that. But yes, everybody thinks कि कौन पहले करेगा.
Absolutely, yes, that is true. तो नुपुर और कितनी places travel करी हैं आपने?
So I've traveled Rajasthan, I've traveled to Dehradun, Mussoorie, and a few other places in India. And otherwise, I go. मेरे लिए bike चलाना is not only about going to places जहाँ पे हम जा रहे हैं. तो मेरी घर पे बाइक रहती है, मैं रेगुलर बाइक से निकल जाती हूँ. मेरे को कोई काम है where I don't need to carry anything. बाइक उठाए, आप निकल गए for shopping, for anything, for meeting one of my friend, anything.
अब बात करते हैं, आपने बोला कि जब आप ट्रिप्स पे होते हो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Yeah.
ऐसा कभी कुछ इंसिडेंस हुआ है जहाँ पे थोड़ा स्कैरी भी हो बट एडवेंचर भी नेक्स्ट लेवल का मिला हो?
100%. So I remember during this Leh Ladakh trip, there was a black ice on the road, and I have never ridden on a black ice because black ice अगर आपको पता होगा कि वो skid करती है. You need special kind of tires and उसमें कुछ mechanism होता है जो कि black ice पे ride आप कर सकते हो, and our bikes didn't had that. And all the bikes were skidding on that. There was a slope and all the bikes were skidding on that black ice. And I was so fearful कि यार मेरी बाइक गिरने वाली है, मैं नहीं, because you have to ride. I can't tell you how, but you have to stand on your bike while riding the bike. You can't sit on the bike to balance the bike while riding. And I was doing that, but my bike fell on the ice. And I skid like khad, and there was many bikes and I was on the road. And you can't even get up without a support because आप जितना भी उठने की कोशिश करोगे आप दोबारा फिसल जाओगे, वहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते. So I had friends and I had few of my other riders. They helped me out to get up, took my bike to get it on the other side of the ice, and finally, in an hour, I crossed that black ice path by just riding, on my toes without standing on the bike, without being sitting on the bike.
Wow.
So they told me a trick कि जहाँ पे आपको पानी दिखता है, थोड़ा गड्ढे दिखते हैं, आपको बाइक वहीं से लेके जानी है.
Okay.
Just to get that balance. So I was just following that. So that was a very, very difficult part of the ride.
Indeed, I can imagine. I hope आपको चोट नहीं लगी.
चोट नहीं लगती है हमें, thankfully. I would say to all the women riders, male riders, या जो भी लोग riding करना चाहते हैं आगे, safety gears. Safety gears is the must. So I was covered in the entire safety. I was having my jacket, riding pants, riding boots, gloves, helmet. So मेरे कोई भी body part ऐसा नहीं था जो कि open हो, जहाँ पे अगर मैं गिरूंगी भी तो कुछ नहीं होएगा. I fell down. बस आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जब आप गिरते हो तो आपको bike छोड़नी है, so that bike doesn't fall on your body.
Right.
बाकी जो body है उस पे आपको कुछ नहीं होता if you are in your safety gears.
Right.
So safety gears is must while you're riding.
And you know, any sport or anything that you do which is outside of your usual
Yeah,
body
yeah.
stamina, you do have to practice. आप practice करते हो?
इसके लिए कोई प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत नहीं होती. It comes naturally.
राइट बट जैसे आपको लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाना है, लेह लद्दाख गए, राजस्थान
Yeah.
ट्रिप पे चले गए, तो वहाँ पे आपका जो लैंडस्केप है वो भी डिफरेंट हो
Different
जाता
होता
है,
है,
राइट?
yeah,
तो उसके लिए कुछ स्पेशल तैयारियां करनी पड़ती हैं?
स्पेशल तैयारियां कुछ नहीं करती. बाइक इज ऑल अबाउट बैलेंसिंग, यू नो.
Right.
आपको बस ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपका गियर, आपका ब्रेक्स, आपका कोऑर्डिनेशन, आपको अपनी बाइक पता होनी चाहिए बेसिकली कि आपकी बाइक कैसे चलती है, किस लेवल पे कैसे चलेगी, स्लोप पे कैसे चलेगी, ट्रैफिक में कैसे चलेगी. You know, just know your bike so well that that's in control. So it doesn't matter on which roads you are.
राइट.
Yeah.
अब एक और बड़ा ही थोड़ा अटपटा सवाल भी लग सकता है आपको नुपुरिया,
Yeah.
बट आई फाइंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, यू नो, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है जब लेडीज ड्राइव कर रही होती है ना, तो उनके हस्बैंड, चाहे वो कार में भी हो, उनके हस्बैंड ना
I know.
पैसेंजर सीट पे नहीं बैठते. दे डोंट वांट टू बी द
Yeah.
पैसेंजर किंग्स,
Yeah,
राइट?
yeah.
लाइक वी वेरी प्राउडली बी द पैसेंजर क्वींस. How does your husband react? Does he sit behind you?
Yeah, he sits behind me and he knows that I'm a better rider and I'm a better driver. So he always appreciates me for that.
Right.
Even if I'm driving, he knows that I drive so well that, you know, he can sleep aram se in the car.
That is so motivating in itself.
Yeah.
Okay, so husbands, you got to listen to this. Trust your wife as
Trust your
they
wives.
trust you.
Yeah, they drive better than you.
तो looks मिलते हैं कभी?
बहुत looks मिलते हैं.
तो looks पे बात करते हैं. मतलब जब मैं ड्राइव भी कर रही होती हूँ ना, मी ड्राइविंग वर्सेस माई हस्बैंड ड्राइविंग,
Yeah.
रोड ही डिफरेंट हो जाती है, लोग डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं. साइड ओले कब जाएगी, साइड से लोग निकलते
Yeah,
निकलते
yeah,
स्टेयर
yeah.
मारेंगे. तो आप तो फिर भी बाइक पे होते हो. आपके साथ कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
गुरप्रीत, ये तो होता रहता है. इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर जर्नी. तो कभी कभी मैं रेड लाइट पे रुकती हूँ, यू नो, एंड आई एम वेयरिंग अ हेलमेट, पर फिर भी लोगों को पता चल जाता है कि लड़की है. वो ऐसे से देखते हैं, ऐसे देखेंगे, ऐसे देखेंगे, यू नो, दे विल स्टेयर एट मी इन अ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एंगल्स एंड सोचेंगे अच्छा आई है कहीं से, यू नो. सो वो सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं, पास ऑन्स मिलते हैं, सब तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं. बट उसके साथ साथ 2-3 बार मेरे साथ एक ऐसा इंसिडेंस हुआ है विच आई फेल्ट सो good about it. So there was, like, you know, few guys who stopped just next to me at a red light and they said, I'm so proud of you. And I was like, oh my God. So word is changing. I'm
World
saying
is
word is
changing.
changing. Yeah.
Wow,
And it's not
because-
about one. I think I had 2-3 incidences like this where I had this expression. There was a car. There were like 2 girls sitting in the car and वो भी side में रुके. उन्होंने mirror से ऐसे मुझे देखा and they were like, oh my God, so good to see you on a bike. So I was like, yeah, thank you.
That must be motivating
That's just
in
motivating.
itself.
तो
right?
लोग हर तरह के होते हैं. आपको पता होना चाहिए, you know, how to react and not to react. And just
Correct.
keep doing what you want to do.
Because male ego सड़कों पे बहुत ज़्यादा
Male egos, and I think this is the toughest thing to handle a male ego on road. चाहे आप गाड़ी में हो, चाहे आप बाइक पे हो, अगर आपने उनसे पास ले लिया, फिर तो you are gone for that day.
I swear.
Yeah.
Right, but very interesting. चलते चलते अगर आपको कोई बोल देना proud of you,
Yeah.
इससे better
तो वही
क्या
मैं
हो
बोल रही हूँ
सकता
कि
है?
अच्छे incidences भी होते हैं. This is
किसी ने
India.
आपको कभी चेस किया है?
चेज करते हैं लोग, बट मैं कभी भी उस चेज का पार्ट नहीं बनती. अगर कोई मुझे चेज कर रहा है, आई स्लो डाउन माई बाइक. भाई तू पहले आगे निकल जा, मैं आराम से आ जाऊंगी. आई एम नॉट इन अ हरी.
Right, safest thing to do.
Safest thing to do, yeah.
Okay.
And you can't mess in India with anyone, whether you're on a bike or car. That I have learned. आप लड़ नहीं सकते. मतलब आपको कितना भी strong बनने, मतलब लगे कि यार आई एम अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन, आई कैन फाइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग, आई हैव टू फाइट, बट नहीं, you can't do that. Being in Gurgaon, I would always be safe rather than being fighting and कि भाई ये गलत है, मुझे लड़ना है. And this I've learned from my husband. He was like, घर पे आके तुम्हें जो करना है ना, अपनी भड़ास निकालनी है, घर पे आके निकाल लेना, but not on road.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's a fair
Yeah.
thing
Yeah.
and a learning for
Yeah.
everyone. अब मुझे बताओ, any future trips that you're planning that you're very excited for?
I am planning for a Bhutan trip. So I really love that, country, and I wanted to do a Bhutan trip. So I got in touch with few of my friends who have done this and how to do it, where I can find a group, of riders who are going to Bhutan and कैसे जाना है, because उसके लिए कुछ passes लेने पड़ते हैं, थोड़ा सा, authorities and all that.
Right.
So that's the trip I really wanted to do this year.
And any international trips that you've been manifesting?
Manifesting New Zealand.
Beautiful. Okay,
Yeah.
I wish and I pray that you soon
Yeah.
live that, and we
I
will have stories to cover on
Definitely. I
that.
think जो भी सोचो अभी नहीं तो 2 साल बाद वो पूरा जरूर होता
But
है.
you have to believe in
You
it.
have to believe it and you have to keep working for that.
Right. Any messages for or tips, I would say, for people, be it girls or
Yeah.
boys, who really want to do something hatke, but cannot
Take
get
that
the
step.
courage
Yeah.
of standing for themselves. क्या बोलोगे आप उन्हें?
मैं सिर्फ सबको यही बोलती हूँ कि वो फर्स्ट स्टेप ले लो बस. दैट टेकिंग दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप हर जगह वही प्रॉब्लम है ना कि आप सोचते रहते हो. इवन अगर हमें कोई बिजनेस भी स्टार्ट करना है, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज. वी हैव आइडियाज़ की इंडिया में कोई कमी नहीं है. मुझे लगता है सबके पास बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ होते हैं, बट वो आइडिया कौन इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाता है, दैट इज़ द थिंग. सो दैट्स टेकिंग दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप विदाउट हैविंग एनी फियर इन माइंड. लोग क्या सोचेंगे, मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं फेल तो नहीं हो जाऊंगा, ये सब तो बात की बात है ना. पहले तो आपको वो फर्स्ट स्टेप लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो आप जब फर्स्ट स्टेप लोगे आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम, यू नो, वेयर आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन.
True.
सो टेकिंग दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जस्ट टेक दैट.
चार लोग क्या कहेंगे?
चार लोग क्या कहेंगे, वो चार लोग यहीं बैठे हुए हैं. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट चार लोग.
सही
Yeah.
बिल्कुल सही. So I think that was very, very interesting, Nupur. And we can continue to have these conversations, right? So, लेकिन इसके अलावा मेरा एक बड़ा important section है podcast का, which
Okay.
is rapid fire round.
Interesting.
And in this rapid fire round, I'll basically give you a few statements.
Okay.
Because you're a biker, तो मैं biking and women के ऊपर ही statements बोलूँगी. You have to, in one word, tell me it's a myth or a fact.
Okay, perfect.
And if it's a myth, then what is the fact? Okay. So
Okay.
are you ready for
I
it?
am ready for it.
Okay, let's get going. Women cannot handle big bikes.
It's a myth. It's a myth. Because my friends, few of my friends, they are riding a 1000cc bike. Bike का और weight का या किसी gender का कोई connection नहीं है, you know. So it's totally a myth. You can ride any weight of bike.
Oh really?
Yeah.
मेरे को खुद लगता था कि
हाँ,
शायद आप
नहीं,
पेटीज
नहीं,
हैं तो आप
जो मैं बाइक राइड करती हूँ वो 200 किलो की है. And I'm, yeah.
Okay.
It's like 4 times of me.
Wow. Okay. Women bikers are quite often now. We see them on roads very often.
I would say it's neither a myth nor a truth because the situation has improved. But अभी भी आपको उतने women riders या bikers नहीं दिखते रोड पे. So अभी भी टाइम है उसमें जहाँ पे हम किसी वुमेन राइडर को देखकर ऐसे देखेंगे नहीं, अच्छा एक लड़की बाइक चला रही है. सो जब तक वो चेंज नहीं होएगा तब तक आई वुड से still there's a lot of time to go.
Yeah. Women bikers need male members or mentors to teach them how to bike ride.
Totally a myth. So there's a training school in Gurgaon and there's a female rider who teaches men how to ride a bike.
Women bikers only ride for leisure.
It's a myth. I'm here. Living proof.
The fact is here. True that. Women need extra support to maintain their bikes.
We need equal support as men. जो उनको चाहिए होता है, मैकेनिक्स उनको चाहिए होते हैं, गैरेज उनको चाहिए होता है, वही हमें चाहिए होता है. So there's nothing different about being a man or a woman, you know, while you're riding a bike. But हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि सबको, जो भी लोग बाइक राइड करते हैं, उनको अपनी बाइक के बारे में पता होना चाहिए एंड एक कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए कि अगर वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाए तो आपको कैसे कुछ, you know, you have to get it going on road. So these are the basic things, everybody should know it.
Okay. Women only do biking to show off because it's somewhere related to looking sexy.
Totally a myth. Totally a myth. Because there are a lot of women who are doing bike reviews. They are, you know, being into this particular field and earning money. So it's not about show off. Definitely there are few, but not everyone.
But I think women do look sexy riding a bike.
100%.
So that was amazing. Thank you, Nupur. बहुत अच्छे से आपने answers दिए. And I hope listeners and viewers that you will definitely enjoy this. आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा motivation मिल चुकी होगी अब तक because you got to do what you got to do, whether you're a girl or a boy. Just go for it, is what Nupur says.
Thank you so much, Gurpreet. I had such fun during this conversation, and thank you everyone for listening to this podcast. And I hope you got something interesting.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
बने
so
रहिएगा.
much.
We'll come back with new episodes. Have a good day.